say up and down?
Up. Down.
You got me, bro. You got me. All right, we got to get him back on there. So, give me 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. I need everybody. I need everybody. If you can stand in there, run over there, help.
I'm thinking I put too much in that 35. I should never have done. I never should have done the today.
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, they're still over here. We'll give you 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, adults. I need you to come over to the parachute. The kids are going to go underneath it. We're going to have a little race, all right? I need all the parents to get involved.
You're the second best. I'm the best.
There you go.
Come on, guys. Grab a handle. Come grab a handle. We're doing it for the kids. Come help us. Come on, it takes the whole community to get things done. Come on.
Wow, this is helpful for the sample. It's $20.
Here we go. You hear my voice? We need help working this parachute so the kids can run around it. We need hands. We need the community. We need your spirit. Close enough. There we go. Now we can knock them over. Okay. All right. Up. All right. We gotta make it all over here. Get that.
And then they got, oh, but it's got three sticks in it.
That's saying a lot, yeah. Nice car.
All right. Now. Okay. So all of the kids.
I like your shirt.
Thank you.
That thing's really cool. Love that.
Nice looking car.
And another one down there. Down there.
He did that one 31st.
You did Friday. You did both right here. So you did this another one down there.
the winner. I got 2 9s over here. Do you? Really? You got 11?
Must be in the front seat of the car still, huh?
Right. You win. You're welcome. All right, here we go, parents. Everybody ready? We need some more parents to work on this side, so can we spread out a little bit?
This guy work for free or
Take
what?
a step back.
He's looking for a home.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Yeah, just spread out a little bit. Okay, cool. All right, down.
That's so
All right, kids. When I say up, you're gonna run in there. You're gonna collect as many green balls as possible. Here we go. Up and down. Rebel. Up and down. You gotta make it out, guys. Up.
old school cool right there.
Run out before it comes down. Run, run, run. Run for your life. And down. All right. Who's got more than 8? Count them up. You have more than 8. No teams. Can't have teams. You got 10? 10? Who has more than 10? All together you do. Oh, sorry. Here. Give it up for him. All right. What colors do we have left? Red and blue? Okay. Here we go. When I say up, it's going to be red. Okay? No teams. It's every person for themselves. So you're not allowed to work together, okay? That's what makes it fun. Here we go. Up! Get the red ones! Get all the red ones! Get in there, down! Soft triple. Confuse them. They're confused. You got 10? What do you have?
Last one on this row, it's a 67 Camaro, it's purplish blue.
How many you got? You got 10?
I gotta see the rest of the car.
Who's got more than 10? Anybody have more than 10?
It's actually a couple of mine. Oh, yeah.
All right. I'll have to grab you another. Actually, head over to the cowgirl over there and collect your prize. See her with the hat. All right, here we go. Last one. Racers, are you ready? Remember, it's every kid for themselves. Up
Every kid for themselves.
and down. Down, 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 down. Soft dribble. They're confused. They don't know where to go. Where do I go? Where's the big colors? Okay, up. Okay, you gotta make it out before it comes down. Make it out, make it out, make it out.
Car ran fine.
Get me up.
Radio knob's falling off. You're the silly things are always going wrong with it. The car itself, though, great. Like her battery was pretty quick for a car.
Yeah, there's little things. I mean, I've had Chevys do the same thing too.
How many you got? 9.
I always thought it was kind of funny because the kid's crazy. You back the thing in the gas, pump the gas.
All right.
Emmy. So cool. You don't see those very often. 4-door even. With a huge Hemi in it.
I didn't say down, sir. You gotta listen. you so much for playing. Step over this booth. I'll give you a medal, all right?
We are at the Chili Cook-Off for 2025 in Pahrump, Nevada. And they've got a car show today.
there we
Some
go.
actually
Alrighty,
pretty cool
guys.
cars.
We are about
Cars
to
I've
do the
never seen
raffle.
before
If you bought
way out
raffle
here.
tickets, come on over to the stage. We're going to call them out. For those of you not here that can't hear me, you do not have to be present to win. We will post the winning ticket numbers to our social media, Facebook page, and our PaHrumpChiliCookoff.com page. But if you did buy tickets coming over here, we got lots of goodies. We got tumbler cups from Sherry Marie's Attic. We got a wine basket. We got goodie buckets. We've got tickets to go see Post Malone and Jelly Roll in Vegas in May. So if you got those tickets, you're going to want to probably be here. I don't know. No, you don't have to be present to win those as well. Alrighty, I'm going to wait for my
All right.
assistant.
That's the last one right there. Please like and subscribe.
You got it?
Chili Cook-Off,
Oh,
Pahrump,
all right. I got a
Idaho.
volunteer
I'm sorry,
right here.
Pahrump, Nevada,
Okay,
2025. Take care.
let's go.